Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to cancel your Trello Premium subscription so that you don't get charged again. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, when you come here on Trello.com and then log in into your account, you need to come here inside your board. Over here, you will see if the trial is been activated on your account. So as you can see, it is showing me that 14 days left. So here, if you click over here, it is going to show you which premium plan you are using. So from here, you can click on the option of see all plans. Then you can just scroll down a bit and here you will see the option of contact. So you can either directly contact to them in order to cancel your subscription, or you can also click on your profile icon here in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, simply go to the settings of your device. Over here in your settings, click on the option of billing in the left hand section. Over here you will see all of your billing details, the plan that you are on currently, and you just have to simply just scroll down and click on the option of cancel. After that, it is going to ask you to select any of the reasons from the given list. So you need to select the reason of why you are canceling the subscription. Afterwards, you need to click on the option of cancel subscription again. So this is because of the confirmation of your cancellation. So this way your premium plan will stop renewing at the end of your current billing cycle, and your board and your data will remain the same. So you don't need to worry about that. You will just revert it to the free Trello features, and this is how your Trello premium subscription is going to be cancelled. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.